Good evening friends. Welcome to my channel Dr. XYZ Pathology Pearls. I hope all of you are fine today. So let's start the next topic. Difference between hyperplasia and hypertrophy. The first point of difference is definition. Hyperplasia is increase in the number of cells in an organ or tissue. Hypertrophy is increase in the size of the individual cells. Next, as a result of hyperplasia, there is enlargement of the organ or tissue due to more cells. In hypertrophy, there is enlargement of the organ or tissue due to bigger cells. Now, as regarding the cell division, hyperplasia requires cells capable of mitosis, and hypertrophy can occur in cells incapable of mitosis. Now, hyperplasia is common in labile and stable cell types. Example, epithelium, glandular tissue, bone marrow. Whereas hypertrophy occurs in permanent cell types. Example, cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle and neuron. Now, the cause of hyperplasia is hormonal or compensatory, whereas the cause of hypertrophy is hormonal or increased functional demand. Example of hyperplasia. Physiological example, proliferation of glandular epithelium of female breast during puberty and pregnancy. Physiological example of hypertrophy is uterus enlargement in pregnancy, that is smooth muscle hypertrophy. Now, the pathological example of hyperplasia is endometrial hyperplasia due to excess estrogen, and the pathological example of hypertrophy is left ventricular hypertrophy due to hypertension. Now, the mechanism of hyperplasia is growth factor release, and this leads to cell proliferation. And the example of hypertrophy is, mechanism of hypertrophy is increased synthesis of structural proteins and organelles. Now, regarding reversibility, in case of hyperplasia, it is reversible if the stimulus is removed, and now hypertrophy can be reversible or irreversible. Reversible as in case of skeletal muscle, irreversible as in case of cardiac muscle. So with this we finish the difference between hyperplasia and hypertrophy. Now friends, I have a viva tip for you. Just remember that hyperplasia that leads to increased cancer risk in some situations like endometrial hyperplasia, while hypertrophy does not directly cause cancer. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my channel,